Hello everyone, this is my review of these mini griddle makers. The makers have a bit of a short cord, about 2.5 feet, but using a count tap or near a plug, it should be fine. You can make like waffles, like a hot waffle maker, eggs, cookies, sandwiches, a griddle, different things you can do with these makers. So you have a lot of options you can do. They don't have a switch to turn them on, so as soon as you plug them in, they turn on and start heating up. So just have your food ready when you plug it in to put it on there. But they work pretty well. It's the light. It has a light on the top that doesn't shine very bright. So when I turn it off, when I turn the light off, you can see them turn on and off better. But other than that, these griddles work pretty great, and I hope.